Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome into For the Low. My name is Spencer. Today I've got this Kenwood dual cassette player and recorder to show you. The model number of it is CT-201. But before we get into it, a quick fun fact for you. Do you know who invented the cassette tape? It was the Philips brand. They actually invented the cassette tape. But now that you know that, let's go ahead and talk about this. On the rear panel, you have your line input for recording, and then you have line out for playing back a tape. To connect it for playback, you'll just connect the red and white cable to the out ports on the back, and then connect your power cord. And then once you have it all connected, you can power it up and put a tape in. So on the front, you have your play button, rewind, fast forward, stop, and eject. And then you have your pause button right there. And then right here is the power button, and then the dubbing button. If you push that, you can dub a cassette from here over to the recording deck as long as you have a recordable tape in there. And then right here you have Dolby NR. You can turn that on or off. And then you have the tape type selector right here. You can choose between type 1 or type 2. And then right here you have the record level if you want to adjust the volume of the recording that you're creating. And then you have the record button right here. If you push that, you can record from an external source with the line input that you saw on the back. And then you have play, rewind, fast forward, stop, and play and pause. So they're both play decks, and then this one's the recording deck. And you have a peak level meter right here. That's pretty much all there is for this Kenwood dual cassette deck. It's very basic. It will dub your cassettes and it will play them back beautifully. But if you want to order one, you can give us a call or check out our online store.